Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to edit like that. Okay, so first thing first, open picsart and then click the plus button on the bottom. After that, import your photo. And click the brushes tools and choose whatever type of glitter brush you like. And start outlining, then fill the object with the brush. For this part, you can choose the object randomly and be creative about it, but not too much, okay guys?
Wish will come true. La da, la da dee, la da da, la da la da da dee, la da dee, da 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 da, la dee, la da da da, la dee, la da da da, la dee. No matter how your heart is grieving, if you keep on believing, the dream that you wish will come true. We can leave the Christmas lights up till January. This is our place, we make the rules. There's a dazzling haze, a mysterious way about you, dear. Haven't known you 20 seconds or 20 years. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close? Forever and ever, and take me out, take me home. You're mine, 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 lover.
Once you are done with editing on picsart, open Prequel, then upload your photo. Click Effects and choose Disco. Select whatever disco effects type you like the best. Mine, I prefer number 2. You can adjust the exposure a little bit down if you want the photo has more bling. But that's okay if the bling doesn't show up after you turn up the intensity of the disco effect to 100. Just save the edited photo because we want to edit it again with a different effect called, let's see, called Jewelry. Sorry if I spell it wrong. And again, choose whatever type number of effect you like. And basically you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya.